The cohort default rate formula may seem somewhat complicated, so let's break it down to its simplest form. First, it's important to know the rate is derived from the number of borrowers who enter repayment during a fiscal year and not the number and types of loans each borrower carries. Each cohort year is based on the federal fiscal year, beginning October 1st and ending on September 30th of the following year. For example, your cohort consists of borrowers who went into repayment between October 1st of a fiscal year and September 30th of the following year. In the past, cohorts were measured over a 2-year period, so your 2-year period began October 1st of a fiscal year and ended September 30th of the following 2 years. Now they are measured for 3 years, so your 3-year cohort rate period ran from October 1st of a fiscal year and ended September 30th of the following 3 years. Let's see how going from a 2-year cohort to a 3-year cohort will affect your rate. Say you have 400 borrowers who entered repayment between October 1st and September 30th of the following year. Now let's say 26 of those borrowers defaulted between October 1st of a fiscal year and September 30th of the following year. Then, 54 more defaulted between October 1st of a new fiscal year and September 30th of the following year. You have 80 total students who've defaulted. Divided by 400, and your total 2-year default rate is 20%. With the 3-year rate, you're adding in students who've defaulted between October 1st of a new fiscal year and September 30th of the following year. If during that time, 42 more students default, then you have 122 total defaulted students. Divided by 400, and you're looking at a 30.5% 3-year default rate. That extra year now has a school scrambling to create a task force. The key to keeping your default rate low and your students financially healthy is prevention. There's no need to wait until the draft cohort rate comes out to jump into action. By partnering with Inceptia, we can help you formulate a success plan that shows you what to do now and what to implement for the future, keeping your borrowers engaged and heading in the right repayment direction.